channel. I am going to give you all an update about my garden now that it's full in blossom. I have some beautiful roses that flowered up and in different colors. In fact, when they actually open up this big and the petals start falling, before it does, I caught a container which I bought grapes in because it have beautiful holes. So what I do, I actually pick up all the petals because they have a great smell, like scent, and before they can actually fall off, I pick the petals and put them in here and make beautiful hot puris for my windowsill, and they smell very nice in the morning breeze. These roses were actually bronze, but they sort of came out orange and then pink. And then I have this rose. You can see my spring onions is growing around to avoid ants. This is a yellow color. And then we have our lilac.
What's the name of this one?
Blue moon.
Blue moon.
Then we have white trimmed off pink. It grows up quite huge, and a beautiful fragrance come with. Starting from one corner of the garden, see, I've got a lot of brinjal trees that already have quite a few brinjal, and they growing very beautiful. They will get much more longer, and you can see the height is much taller than me. And we got beans all flowering. Here's my chilies, and it's in full blossom. And in fact, I cut lots of chilies out of all these chilies trees. There are different types of chilies. And the reason why I plant many plants together, this sort of the area is very hot, and to avoid the sunshine burning off the other trees, so we plant a lot of trees together so they actually shade one another and grow tall for the sunshine. And there's my beans. There's quite a bit beans right through. And my
What beans is it?
sugar beans.
Sugar beans.
Sugar beans was planted.
Oh, okay.
And we have some potato trees that are also flowering. Maybe in a week or so, when the flower dies off, then I'll be able to pull them and see how much of a potato I have. And there's my lettuce, which is overgrown. In fact, I had many beautiful lettuce. I distributed it amongst the neighbors because it was just too much. And these leaves, although it's overgrown, it's very good for preparing herbs curry or adding it to your bhajia mix. There's my spring onions. They're quite tall. In fact, I've already cut and frozen. This is the next crop that's growing. And there's some beautiful rose trees in between the flower, in between the ridges. And I have some nice yellow tomatoes, which is going to creep onto this crate. And I still got some more seedlings to transplant.
What seedlings are those?
These are chilies, these are pepper, and these are brinjal. Here's the smaller lettuce that's still growing. Most likely we'll keep it for our salad. And there's a whole lot of mint. And we got some beautiful big marigolds. My pumpkin is overgrown now. You can see I'm going to be able to cut a lot of these little. This is what we cut for making our herbs curry. The ends of the pumpkin, and they're also flowering. I also got some small pumpkins, and yeah, my thyme is growing very well. And I have a little blueberry fruit tree. In fact, I actually cut blueberry from it. There's it here. this is an update for my garden. In fact, I have had good hours before the seasons will finish. I did eat a lot of herbs and spinach and lettuce and chilies. They did provide me for the lockdown. Thank you for watching.